In this video, we'll be sharing with you some tried and true tips for saving money that have been passed down through the generations. Tip 1. Live within your means. One of the most important money-saving tips is to make sure you're not spending more than you can afford. Make a budget and stick to it, and be mindful of your spending habits. Tip 2. Shop around and compare prices. Your grandparents knew the value of a good deal, and they took the time to shop around and compare prices before making a purchase. Don't be afraid to do the same and take the time to find the best price. Tip 3. Pay with cash. Your grandparents may have grown up using cash as their primary form of payment, and there are still some benefits to using cash today. Paying with cash can help you stay on budget and avoid overspending. Tip 4. Don't be afraid to haggle. Your grandparents may have been more accustomed to negotiating prices, and it's still a useful skill today. Don't be afraid to negotiate and ask for a better price on things like cars or home renovations. Tip 5. Save your spare change. Your grandparents may have had a jar or a piggy bank for saving their spare change, and this is still a simple and effective way to save money. Tip 6. Repair and reuse instead of replacing. Your grandparents may have had a waste not, want not mentality and were more accustomed to repairing and reusing things instead of replacing them. This can be a great way to save money and reduce waste. Tip 7. Grow your own food. Your grandparents may have had a vegetable garden or raised their own chickens for eggs, and this is still a great way to save money on groceries and eat healthier. Tip 8. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Your grandparents may have been more accustomed to asking for help and relying on their community, and this is still a valuable skill today. Don't be afraid to reach out to friends, family, or community resources for help if you need it. Tip 9. Invest in quality products that will last. Your grandparents may have been more accustomed to investing in quality products that would last for many years, rather than constantly replacing cheap ones. This can be a great way to save money in the long run. Tip 10. Save for a rainy day. Your grandparents may have had a saying like a penny saved is a penny earned, and this is still true today. Make sure to set aside a portion of your income each month for your savings, and try to avoid dipping into it unless it's absolutely necessary. We hope these tips have been helpful in saving money and learning from the wisdom of your grandparents. Remember, it's about being mindful of your spending and making smart financial decisions. Thanks for watching.